guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching today. Last week I did a Q&A video, so it was a little bit different from what I usually do, but today we're going to get back to the sewing tutorials. So I'll do some fun videos too, but mostly just stick to the sewing tutorials. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a very easy elastic skirt. This is probably one of the very first things I learned, and I still love to make them because I love elastic clothing. It's so comfortable. I feel like it just fits better on me, and I love to be comfortable more than anything. So if you like to be comfortable like me, then this is the perfect tutorial for you. It's so easy. I really think that anybody can do it. So it's just, this one comes a little below my knee. We're not going to be using this material, but I will show you guys. We'll go through step by step how to do it. Okay, so this is the material that I've picked out, and it's got girl superheroes all over it. Super cute. I was like, you know what? This would be a really cute dress or a skirt, and I've already got a top that I'm going to wear with it. So I was like, well, I'll just make a cute elastic skirt to go with it. So the first thing you want to do is take your tape measure and measure around wherever you want your elastic to be. So mine's going to be kind of high-waisted. A lot of times I will do that, like the skirt I'm wearing right now is a high-waist skirt. So I'm going to take my tape measure and just go around and measure myself, and then I'll take out 2 extra inches for the elastic. You always want to take about 2 to 4 inches extra out. So I've already got my elastic cut, and I like to use this really thick one. I mean, it doesn't matter what you use as long as you do the non-roll elastic, because if you don't do the non-roll, then it's going to get all rolled up in the washing machine and when you wear it and stuff, and you really don't want that. I've learned that the hard way. So this is the non-roll elastic. So what you're going to do after you've got yourself measured, you're going to go ahead and measure how long you want it to be. So I did my measuring, and I hope this is going to be long enough, but it came out to 24 inches. And I bought, I believe, 1.5 yards of this. So what I had to do was take the fabric and just fold it in half. So that came out to be 24 inches on each side. So I'm gonna go ahead and just cut that, and hopefully that will be long enough. If not, I'll just put something underneath it. So I'm going to go ahead and just cut right here. Okay, so now your fabric's cut in half, and the reason why I do this is because the fabric is not wide enough to go around my body. So therefore I have to make 2 pieces, and then I'll usually just cut one of these pieces out because it's a little too poofy for me. So I guess I'm going to go ahead and take a panel out right now. So I'm going to go ahead and cut one of these pieces out and toss it to the side, and maybe use that for a hair accessory or something. Okay, so now that I've got all my pieces, I'm going to go ahead and take these pieces together. I'm just going to go ahead and pin these pieces right side together. Make sure that your material's lined up so that way it's going all the same direction. So now that you've got that pin, you're going to go ahead and sew that so you can move on to the next step. Okay, so now you've got it sewn, and I usually just cut this extra material off because it's just not necessary to have it there. So you're just going to go up and cut. So now you're ready to make your opening for your elastic. So you're going to take your material and fold it over the elastic just a little bit, like about 1 inch maybe. so you'll have room to put the elastic inside. So you'll go ahead and just fold that down and pin it. And you're just going to do that all the way through, and make sure you've got the right side so your material is facing the correct way, depending on what material you have. Now you're going to sew where you put your pins at.